Hi, I hope that everything is fine with you. As you know, yesterday there was a heavy rain here in Dubai. I want to pass this message for all my friends, followers, and neighbors. For the last few months, I'm working on a project to evaluate the workshops and to get discounts from them. So, if you own a car, I think this message is very, very important for you. If you do not own a car, maybe you can pass this message to your friend who owns a car. So I visited a list of shops that they are going to provide a good service for your cars. They are in DIP, Al Quoz, Deira Side, and even in Sharjah. These shops will give you a discount and they are approved, meaning to say that they know what they are working on. They will help you to fix your car in case if you have problem with your car, and they can inspect it also after the rain, so they can check if all the electronics are working properly, or if any mechanical thing happened to due to the rain, they can fix it for you and they can inspect it for you. My advice is to visit any of them. I will list the website at the comment box below and also in the description, so you can check it and visit any of these shops, and I'm sure that you will be happy to deal with these shops. They will provide you an excellent service and they will give you a discount. God bless you, and I hope that you're gonna enjoy the rest of the day. Today is sunny, as you can see. I'm really happy that it's sunny. God bless you. Don't forget to like and share this message for the people that they own cars.
Dr. Car Channel and mobile application are the best.